To set up your schedule as well as speakers for your event, navigate to the schedule section inside of one of your events that you're getting ready. Click on Add Schedule. We can reuse from another event if we have other events inside of the account. Otherwise, click on Create New. We'll choose a main lecture. Underneath this main lecture, we can choose the days that is going to occur. Now the days will automatically be pulled from your event. The event window is this time. We can choose the start time, the end time, and the stage location. We can then choose the description for this schedule. If we have a speaker in the account, we can add the speaker here. Let's click on Add Schedule, and let's add one more. Now that we have both of our schedules, we can choose their different rooms and see the times. We can click on View Schedule Page. Now if we click on the schedule page but the event is not published, it'll say Event Not Found. So make sure that you have a published event before you go live. Now in order to add speakers, click on Add Speaker, Reuse from another account, or Create New. We can put in the name, choose an image, edit this image to be the style that we want, save it to the account, choose whether or not this is a keynote, add a tagline, add social links, and once we're happy with all of our settings, click on Add Speaker. Now that the speaker is added, we can always go back, edit, remove keynote, or delete, and we can go to Schedule, edit one of our schedules, search for speakers, and add Tom Hanks to our event. Now that Tom Hanks is added as a schedule, you can add multiple speakers to each one of the accounts. And once the event is published and you preview it, you can then see underneath the schedule section the various locations, the speaker, which you can click into and see all of the speaker's details.